We're looking at a late 19th century, very large lithographed map of the environs of London, England. It's got extensive original hand color on it. At the center is an extremely detailed plan of the city with hundreds of these tiny, small buildings in outline. And then we see the roads and railroads, turnpikes, rivers, county boundaries, gentlemen's seats and woods, etc., all identified by a key at the bottom. The map is mounted as issued onto linen. As you can see, the back of the map is it's still structurally sound. It readily folds as issued like this into its original case, hardcover case, stamped in outline, rules, and blind, with the original paper label to the front cover. There are two other printed leaves here. This is an advertisement. These are both actually advertisement leaves. It's probably dating from somewhere between 1870 and 1885 or so, roughly. And it's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.